Hello guys! Ang topic naman natin today is tungkol sa murder at homicide. The same lang ba sila or merong pagkakaiba? So bago tayo mag-umpisa guys, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Kung may mga katanungan or clarification din kayo, mag-comment lamang sa comment section at sisikapin naming sagutin ang bawat tanong. So medyo may mga nalilito kung ano ang kinaibahan ng homicide at ng murder. Para sa iba, the same lang sila. Pero legally speaking po kasi magkaiba po sila in terms of how committed and in terms of the penalty imposed. So one main difference po nila is with regard kung paano na-commit yung crime. So ang homicide under Article 249 ng Revised Penal Code, it involves the killing of a person na hindi considered as parricide, hindi rin considered as infanticide, hindi rin considered as murdered, at wala ring presence ng justifying circumstances. So generally, pag homicide, walang intention na patayin ang biktima. Classic example po nito is yung mga vehicular accidents na nagre-result sa death ng driver, passenger, or ng pedestrian or bystanders. Yung murder naman is committed if a person kills another with the presence of at least one of the qualifying circumstances, as expressly mentioned sa Article 248 ng Revised Penal Code. Example, yung pagpatay ay may halong treachery, cruelty, evident premeditation, may pabuya o reward, or ginawa yung pagpatay on occasion of calamities. So, in murder, generally, planado yung pagpatay sa biktima. Meron talagang intention to commit a crime. So basically po yung murder is the evolved form ng homicide because of the presence ng mga qualifying circumstances as mentioned under Article 248. Then second main distinction po ng murder at homicide is with regard sa penalty imposed. Ang homicide po kasi is punishable by reclusion temporal. Samantala, ang murder naman is punishable by reclusion perpetua or pagkakulong ng 20 years to 40 years. So legally speaking, ito po yung pagkakaiba ng homicide at ng murder. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating discussion. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at kung maaari din po ay mag-subscribe kayo sa aming channel. Para sa mga ibang katanungan or mga clarification, mag-comment lamang sa comment section at sisikapin naming sagutin ang bawat tanong. Hanggang sa muli!